Welcome, everyone. Let's jump right into this explainer. If you've ever hit submit on a Citi credit card application and instantly started refreshing your inbox, well, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Today, we're going to peek behind the curtain and see what actually happens after you click that button, hopefully saving us all a little bit of stress along the way.
So, are you eagerly waiting to hear back from Citi and wondering how to check your status? You are definitely in the right place. That waiting period can literally feel like an eternity, but digging into this process is going to help us figure out exactly where we stand. No more guessing in the dark. Okay, here's our roadmap for this explainer. We'll cover 1. Why your status matters. 2. How to check your status. 3. Solving application issues. 4. Different Citi portfolios. 5. Smart tips while you wait. And 6. Next steps and the final verdict. Section 1. Why your status matters. Staying on top of your application isn't just about being impatient, right? It's actually a super important part of responsible financial management. As this timeline illustrates, while some approvals are basically instant, literally taking under 60 seconds, that is definitely not the case for everyone. If your application goes to a pending status or needs manual review, you're usually looking at about 7 to 10 business days. But here's the thing to keep in mind. By law, issuers actually have up to 30 days to officially respond to you. So if a whole week goes by and you hear crickets, seriously, there is no need to panic. Moving right along to Section 2, how to check your status. Now for the practical part, finding out exactly where your standard consumer card is sitting in Citi's system. Going online is almost always your fastest route. First, you just head over to the dedicated Citi application status page. And hey, notice step 2 here? If you didn't write down your application ID when you first applied, don't sweat it, you're not locked out. You can easily use their alternate lookup method. Just punch in your phone number, your zip code, and your birth month and year, and boom, you can view your status instantly. Now, if you're someone who prefers talking to an actual human, or if the website is just acting up, here's the number you need. 1-866-606-27887. When you call this main consumer application status line, just be sure you have your zip code and date of birth handy. The customer service rep is going to need those right away to verify your identity and pull up your file. Section 3, solving application issues. Okay, we all completely dread seeing that pending or under review message. It honestly feels like a flat-out rejection, but I promise you it's really not. A pending status is just a completely normal procedural step. As we can see here, it often happens for the smallest reasons. Maybe there was a simple typo on your form, or perhaps you just forgot to unfreeze your credit report. Sometimes it's a crazy high volume of applications, or their fraud prevention system just wants to double-check that you're actually you. Other times, they might just need a quick verification of your income. It's almost always just a tiny speed bump, not a massive roadblock. Section 4, different Citi portfolios. This is a really crucial detail. Citi doesn't just dump all their credit cards into one giant bucket. They actually segment them into 3 distinct frameworks. For your standard consumer cards, you'll use that main Citi status page we just talked about. But if you're going for a co-branded retail services card, like say a Best Buy card, you're actually blocked from the main Citi site. You have to go through the partner's specific portal. And finally, corporate or government cards sit in a commercial portfolio. That operates on a totally different, highly strict platform called Citi Manager, and you actually need a special passcode from your organization's admin just to get in. Speaking of those commercial cards, you might run into some pretty unique statuses. For example, you might see waiting for approver 1. What's really fascinating about this is that the delay has absolutely nothing to do with Citi. It's entirely internal at your employer. It just means your own supervisor or program coordinator hasn't authorized it yet. Citi hasn't even touched your file. The ball is 100% in your company's court. Section 5, smart tips while you wait. So you've hit submit, the file is processing, and you're pacing the floor. Let's talk about some actionable advice for what to do right now. First up, a really cool piece of community insight. Applying for consumer cards doesn't usually block you from getting business cards. Based on data points out there, you can often apply for 2 consumer cards and 1 business card within a 65-day window, just by separating your social security number and your EIN. However, if you are going for multiple business cards, it is highly recommended to wait at least 90 days between those applications. To keep everything moving smoothly, make sure your credit reports are actually unfrozen, and keep a really close eye on your physical mailbox and your email inbox for any verification request from Citi. Oh, and here is a massive tip. Do not submit duplicate applications. If the web page freezes up on you and you double-click the submit button, that technical glitch can actually trigger duplicate reviews and just hold the whole shebang up. Finally, just keep your W-2 or your ID handy just in case they need to do a quick verification. Section 6. Next steps and the final verdict. All right, the waiting is finally over. The decision is in, and you've got your answer. Let's juxtapose the two possible outcomes. If you're approved, huge congratulations. You can expect your physical card in the mail in about 7 to 10 business days. Though, quick pro tip, you can actually call them up and ask for expedited shipping sometimes. Now, on the flip side, if you are denied, please don't panic. The absolute worst thing you can do is just give up. Instead, take a breath and prepare yourself to call the reconsideration line. I know, calling the reconsideration line can sound incredibly intimidating, but this quote right here is an absolute game changer uncovered from the credit card community. If you treat them like a real human with an actual personality, you're in the top 10%. The reps on the other end of the phone are actually empowered to overturn decisions. And think about it, they deal with cranky, frustrated people all day long. If you start that call just by being kind and friendly, you drastically improve your chances of getting that denial flipped straight into an approval.
So here is your step-by-step game plan for crushing that reconsideration call. Number 1, offer to move existing credit from an older card over to the new one rather than asking for brand new credit. Number 2, know exactly why you want the card, like specific benefits, maybe no foreign transaction fees, and mention those. Number 3, this is absolutely crucial. Never, ever mention the sign-up bonus. They want loyal customers, not point chasers. Number 4, avoid volunteering to cancel a card unless you absolutely have to. And finally, number 5, if the rep just won't budge, politely say thank you, hang up, and just try calling again later. You might just get someone who's a bit more helpful.
Armed with all these tools, timelines, and reconsideration strategies, are you ready to track down your Citi application and confidently advocate for yourself? Seriously, knowing that a pending status isn't the end of the world, and that even a denial is really just the start of a conversation, gives you so much control over your financial journey. You've totally got this.
Before we officially wrap things up, just a quick reminder. The information in this explainer is strictly for educational purposes. Please make sure to verify all these details directly with Citi or consult a financial advisor, just because banking policies and contact procedures do change all the time. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive, and best of luck with your application.